I was delighted to have been appointed as editor of the British Journal of Psychiatry. It's a great privilege, but also a great responsibility. I've always believed in science as a way of improving oneself and society, and generating and discovering evidence. And as a researcher, I take great delight in discovering new facts and figures and unearthing a problem that previously we were just guessing at how to solve. That we had all sorts of prejudices, how to treat mental illness, how to treat society's ills, but actually generating empirical evidence and being able to test one's ideas is really rewarding and very enjoyable, but very, very demanding. Anyone who's published a paper will know how many years they've spent crafting the study, seeking funding, undertaking the work, writing it up, and then trying to get it into print is a nightmare in itself. It can take many, many submissions and many revisions. The British Journal of Psychiatry is one of the top psychiatric journals. It has an impact factor of over 6 and it's growing. It publishes high quality research, and so to be involved in the British Journal as part of the Royal College of Psychiatrists, as I said, is a great privilege. My own vision for it is that some of the publications in the journal and the journal itself is perhaps not attractive enough to a wider audience. That at the moment the membership and in particular the researchers enjoy it a lot, but it doesn't have a wider readership. I would like everybody to be able to use the British Journal of Psychiatry to access knowledge about mental health care, and for papers to be published not just from the psychiatric field but from other fields, laws, humanities, arts, from any discipline that can help us improve the quality of care for people with mental health problems and improve their recovery. That's not to say that I don't also want to see papers from genomics and biology and neurochemistry and physiology and all of the traditional studies that we have hosted in the British Journal of Psychiatry. But I think some of the challenges we face in understanding mental health problems and recovery from them and the treatment of mental health problems really require this interconnectedness between disciplines that might be seen as disparate and diverse, but essentially they're often talking about similar problems in a different narrative and actually lend clues, and there could be a lot of cross-fertilisation between different fields of study, which seem initially to be very, very different.